Hey friends, if you wish to change or set default gateway in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending upon the connection that you are using, and then go to its properties. Now scroll down and click on edit corresponding to IP assignment. So ideally the DHCP, the dynamic host configuration protocol, is selected automatically, but if you wish to change it, then simply click on manual. I usually use IPv4 and that's what is used in 99.9% cases here. You can set the IP address, okay. Then you can set the subnet mask. Then you can set the default gateway, and you can set the preferred DNS, which I usually keep as 8.8.8.8, and finally click on save to set the manual DHCP. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.